Hey, it's Mitchell, and in today's video, I want to talk about the 3 reasons why the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is an excellent purchase. Excuse the sweat and air conditioning noise. We're currently in the hottest week Vietnam has experienced all year. So it'd be hard to talk about the Mi Band 3 without the runaway success that was the Xiaomi Mi Band 2. The Mi Band 2 proved that you can create a fitness wearable for the masses at an appealing price point that still offers value for fitness enthusiasts and people who want to monitor their health. The Mi Band 3 follows this same winning formula with improvements to a couple of areas. Now, the first reason why you should go ahead and pick up the Mi Band 3 is overall value. Now, I was going to say price, but this isn't just a cheap step counter. At under $40, you're getting a smart heart rate monitor with the ability to go ahead and display a weather forecast, step tracker, laziness alert. The second reason is the design. Compared to the Mi Band 2, the Mi Band 3 has gotten a little bit thicker, but with that comes 20-day battery life and improved vibration motor that is very recognizable on your wrist. 50 meters of waterproofness so that you can take this band swimming. Adding to that, the front of the device has a very clean face and very simple aesthetic, which easily go unnoticeable and are relatively unoffensive and unassuming when worn on the wrist. The third is accuracy. Now, I've had issues in the past with smartwatches being inaccurate or being off in steps, or having them being activated when I'm riding my motorcycle and saying that my motorcycle ride is a bike ride. Now, I have used the Mi Band 3 for a little over 2 weeks now. I regularly ride a motorcycle, and I have not seen this Mi Band 3 registering my motorcycle rides as physical activity. On top of that, the excellent Mi Fit app will use GPS if you're doing a specific activity to go ahead and track with GPS your progress, your location, and that way not only can you have measurement of your cadence, but you can also measure how quickly you're moving as well as heart rate. Now, along with all of this, it comes with the excellent Mi Fit app, which allows you to calibrate the sensors when you're on a treadmill so that if you have a longer stride and you're on a treadmill, you can go ahead and make sure that the distance that it is recording is in line with how far you're going on the treadmill. To test its heart rate monitoring accuracy, I've oftentimes used the electric heart rate monitor on the treadmill at the gym, and I usually see around a 1% discrepancy between the heart rate that it is registering on my Mi Band and the heart rate that's being registered on the machines at the gym that use both hands and electrical current. Now, obviously, this isn't the most accurate heart rate sensor, and it's not the most accurate in regards to logging distance when doing physical activity because there's no built-in GPS. But at a really inexpensive price, I have been more than adequately impressed with the accuracy. And on top of that, it is an excellent device for the casual fitness enthusiast. Sure, there's something better out there if you're an avid cyclist or an avid runner, but someone for myself that walks a lot and goes to the gym every day, I really just want to make sure that I'm being active and I'm walking and burning enough calories off that I can maintain my physical physique. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Till next time, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi, Vietnam. Peace.